One of the hardest conversations that I have with mostly men is when they tell me, man, my girlfriend wants counseling. Or women to their husband, I need you to hear this. This is a tricky ass situation. If your relationship has reached the point where counseling has been discussed, you better get your ass ready, because there's a possibility it's not going to survive. It's hard to hear. Sorry. You want reassurance and hope, and there is some. Sometimes it works fine. Sometimes marriages are saved. Sometimes couples reconnect, communicate, heal, rebuild trust. They can start over. They can, and it absolutely does happen. Sometimes one person is already done. Counseling becomes less about saving the relationship, more about trying to understand if there's even anything left to save. Nobody wants to talk about that, especially in the beginning, because by the time somebody asks for help, years of resentment piled up, silence, pissed off anger, lack of intimacy, broken trust, addiction, emotional neglect, fighting all the time, feeling unseen, feeling unwanted, and eventually one person starts disconnecting way before they physically leave. That's why I tell Gen X, do not enter counseling focused only on saving your marriage. Focus on accountability. Accountability changes everything. You need to honestly ask yourself, how did I get here? What did I do to put me in this situation? When did I stop listening? When did I stop becoming curious? When did I emotionally shut down? Did I neglect my health? Was I angry? How was my communication? Was my effort shit? Because even if your marriage doesn't survive, you still need to survive for what's next. A lot of men panic, because men panic. They build their whole life around the relationship. So when that starts collapsing, they collapse too. Keep telling men, rebuild yourself, get healthy, lose weight, start walking, talk to somebody, get some counseling on your own, get some emotional control, learn some accountability, learn how to sit with some pain without killing yourself. Whether your marriage survives or not, you are going to need strength, clarity for what comes next. If your partner is already emotionally done and they just can't tell you, you're not going to force them to stay or guilt them into loving you. You can't pressure them into reconnecting. You cannot control another person. All you can do is become radically honest about what you're doing. That's the work. And honestly, it's a huge part of why I talk about how I failed in my life. I've been through it. I know exactly what it is. Lose relationship with your wife, kids, feel regret, feel terrible, feel like you don't have a future. I've also helped a lot of men reverse that, but it's no guarantee. So if you're going through marriage problems, separation, divorce, trying to rebuild yourself after years of emotional pain, it's what I do. Reach out to me. You don't have to do this alone. If you want somebody who has been there, done it, can hold your hand, that's what I do. I have dozens and dozens of people that I've helped over the years, and if you're struggling for that right now, maybe I can help you. Reach out to me. My email is erichobaugh@gmail.com. It's in the bio below or to the side wherever you're watching this. Maybe, just maybe, we can get you through it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm here for Gen X, and I'll see you on the next one.